is my shop. You can hold your finger off of there. My shop, here we got my joiner, my planer. Here's my table saw. My air filter to clean all the air out and everything. This table I built for my outfeed table. My dust collector. This over here. Alright, as you can see, my shelving from the Army, good old Army and all that, and other little tool, drill press, back over there, go back over there is a lumber rack, lumber storage. Okay, come back. Might want to come forward a little bit. And, oh yeah, miscellaneous here. Here's a little bench I built. This is small. This is my experimental. And my little stove. And you go back over here to my that's more storage over there, my stove, the bench. Back over here is the clamps. I made those little racks for the clamps. And as you can see, the black cabinets over here are the ones we carried down in your closet for a while, or garage. And my bandsaw, and here's my workbench. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. Okay, you can end it.
What do I do?
I guess.